Luxury SUVs in 2025 are designed to offer the ultimate balance of power, elegance, and cutting-edge technology. These vehicles aren't just about getting from one place to another, they are about a premium experience featuring advanced comfort, unrivaled performance, and state-of-the-art technology. In this video, we'll explore the best luxury SUVs of 2025, taking a deep dive into their performance, luxury features, and innovative technology. Performance: dual-motor all-wheel drive with over 536 horsepower. Range: 300 miles on a full charge. Luxury: MBUX Hyperscreen with a 56-inch curved display. Interior: vegan leather, massage seating, and a luxurious ambiance. The Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV combines luxurious comfort with electric performance, making it one of the most innovative luxury SUVs in 2025. Performance: 523 horsepower with a 4.4L twin-turbo V8 engine. Technology: iDrive 8 system, crystal clear surround sound, and intelligent driver assistance features. Luxury: premium merino leather upholstery and customizable interior lighting. Towing capacity: up to 7,500 pounds. The BMW X7 M60i offers a thrilling driving experience while maintaining the elegance and luxury expected from BMW's flagship SUV. Performance: 4.4L V8 producing 523 horsepower. Design: iconic British luxury with a sleek, commanding presence on the road. Off-road capability: terrain response 2, making it one of the most capable off-road vehicles in its class. Interior: quilted leather seats, panoramic sunroof, and a 29-speaker Meridian sound system. The Range Rover Autobiography perfectly blends luxury with performance and off-road capability, making it the ideal choice for adventurers who don't want to sacrifice comfort. Performance: 670 horsepower with a 3.0L V6 hybrid engine. Acceleration: 0-60 miles per hour in 3.6 seconds. Technology: Porsche communication management with real-time navigation and adaptive cruise control. Sustainability: hybrid powertrain offers an eco-friendly driving option without sacrificing performance. The Porsche Cayenne Turbo SE Hybrid combines the thrill of a high-performance SUV with the benefits of hybrid technology, offering the best of both worlds. Performance: 402 horsepower from its dual-motor electric powertrain. Range: 285 miles on a full charge. Technology: MMI Touch. Response system with a 12.3-inch digital display and a 360-degree camera system. Interior: luxurious interiors with eco-friendly materials, premium seating, and exceptional sound systems. The Audi Q8 e-tron represents the future of electric luxury SUVs, offering an all-electric powertrain without compromising on comfort or performance. Performance: 1,020 horsepower with tri-motor all-wheel drive. Acceleration: 0-60 miles per hour in 2.5 seconds. Technology: autopilot with full self-driving capabilities, a 17-inch touchscreen, and premium sound. Range: 340 miles per charge. The Tesla Model X Plaid is one of the fastest and most advanced luxury electric SUVs, offering futuristic features and exceptional performance. Electric revolution: more luxury SUVs are shifting to electric powertrains, offering sustainability without sacrificing performance. Advanced technology, fully integrated infotainment systems, driver assistance features, and autonomous driving capabilities. Personalization: greater options for customization from interior materials to advanced tech features, hybrid powertrains, a growing trend toward hybrid systems, providing more efficient performance while maintaining power. The future of luxury SUVs is here, with manufacturers focusing on combining high performance, sustainability, and cutting-edge technology for the ultimate driving experience. Off-road vehicles have long been associated with rugged power and unyielding performance, designed to conquer the toughest terrains. But in 2025, electric vehicles, EVs, are redefining this segment with zero emissions, cutting-edge technology, and exceptional off-road capabilities. Today, we'll explore the best off-road electric vehicles of 2025, showcasing their ability to handle challenging landscapes while promoting sustainability. Performance: dual-motor and quad-motor configurations, producing up to 835 horsepower. Off-road capabilities: dynamic torque vectoring, adjustable air suspension, and a 14-inch ground clearance. Range: 314 miles per charge. Technology: features a 12.3-inch touchscreen and the ability to tow up to 11,000 pounds. The Rivian R1T is designed for adventure, offering a perfect balance between performance, luxury, and sustainability. Performance: dual motors delivering 580 horsepower with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 4.5 seconds. Off-road features: available with the FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates, off-road tires, and a specialized suspension system. Range 300 miles. Technology: Sync 4A system, Pro Power onboard for power tools, and towing assistance. The F-150 Lightning is Ford's first fully electric pickup, bringing traditional F-Series ruggedness to the electric era. Performance: plug-in hybrid with 375 horsepower and 470 lb-ft of torque. Off-road capabilities: Ford WD with select terrain system, quadra-lift air suspension, and underbody armor. Range: 25 miles on electric power alone with a total range of up to 600 miles. Technology: Uconnect 5 system with off-road navigation, real-time terrain analysis. The Grand Cherokee 4xe offers a blend of electrification and off-road prowess perfect for tackling any trail. Performance: tri-motor system producing over 800 horsepower. Off-road features: ultra-tough exoskeleton, adjustable air suspension, and off-road tires. Range: over 500 miles per charge. Technology: full self-driving capability with Tesla's advanced autopilot features. The Tesla Cybertruck is set to revolutionize off-road EVs with its rugged design, electric powertrain, and advanced tech. Performance: 614 horsepower and 668 lb-ft of torque from a dual motor setup. Off-road features: 15 inches of ground clearance, high-angle approach and departure angles, and locking differentials. Range: 200 miles per charge. Design: boxy, utilitarian, and purpose-built for adventure. The Bollinger B1 is an all-electric off-road beast designed for the most extreme environments. Performance: 1,000 horsepower with an estimated 11,500 lb-ft of torque. Off-road features: crab walk, diagonal movement, ultravision with 18 camera views, and four-wheel steering. Range: 329 miles per charge. Technology: 13.4-inch diagonal touchscreen, Super Cruise hands-free driving. The Hummer EV Edition. One brings back the legendary Hummer off-road capabilities with all-electric performance and modern luxury. Performance: four-wheel drive system with in-wheel hub motors producing 600 horsepower. Off-road features: adjustable ride height and robust off-road capabilities. Range: 250 miles on a full charge. Technology: advanced driver assist systems including automatic emergency braking and lane keeping assist. The Lordstown Endurance offers a rugged, electric solution for both work and play, making it ideal for tough terrains. Sustainability: EVs are reducing the environmental impact of off-roading with zero emissions and low maintenance. Power and performance: electric motors offer instant torque, making these vehicles highly capable off-road. Technology integration: advanced tech such as real-time terrain monitoring, off-road navigation, and AI-powered driving assistance is becoming standard. Range expansion: longer battery ranges, allowing for extended adventures in remote locations. Off-road EVs are bridging the gap between sustainability and power, creating vehicles that are as capable as they are eco-friendly. By 2030, we can expect off-road electric vehicles to become more accessible, with solid-state batteries offering quicker charging times, increased range, and even autonomous off-road capabilities. These vehicles will continue to evolve, with smarter suspension systems, enhanced powertrains, and new designs that make them even more capable in extreme conditions. The future of off-road EVs is bright, combining performance, technology, and sustainability for the ultimate off-roading experience.